Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ethereum. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few months worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been doing this analysis on a very routine basis. Remember, cryptos are open 24/7, so if you're watching this video 15 hours from now, then yeah, the chart may look a little bit different to you. But my goal here from the kind of presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And in order to do that, I'm just going to walk through a couple of different questions, and based off how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. And this will be nothing new to those of you that have watched the past videos I've done on this one, but the big question still revolves around that green line right there, numerically speaking, the 204 mark. 204 is very important because that's essentially the line in the sand that is dictating whether the price is making progress, which is bullish, or going back, which would be bearish, right? If the price movement is going back to where it was, that would be something that is a bearish dynamic. And as it stands right now, the price is doing a good job of holding strong. But as I talk right now, you can see that the price is literally just hovering right here around this key area of support. Now, there's been times in the past where the price has been down around that area, and it has indeed held. But right now, the price is at a very critical time. Again, 15 hours, 20 hours from now, if you're watching this, the chart is going to look different. So that first big question needs to be, when you watch this, we'll go 15 hours from now, where's the price at relative to 204? If while you're watching this, the price is actually broken down through 204, I don't know, it's down around 200, at that point, that would tell you that the bears are actually picking up quite a bit of momentum, and the chart is essentially looking quite rough at that point in time. If you are answering the question that the price is still up above 204, well then, hey, that means that the opportunity at progress is still in play, and that would be a sign of bullishness. Again, what do I necessarily mean by progress? Well, as I've already pointed out, 204 so far is doing a great job of holding as support, so that's as low as the price has been able to go. When you look at the previous times of lows down there, and if you picture each of those as stair steps, that is the progress I'm referring to, these stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. So 204, very important for those reasons, and definitely that main question, that you need to ask yourself going forward to keep the chart relevant. If the price is still above 204, you could also kind of just quickly ask yourself, well, where's the price relative to that purple line, which is the 50 period at simple moving average? If the price happens to also be up above that, then that would just be telling you that, hey, the price is actually picking up some bullish momentum. But as things stand right now, currently speaking, seeing how the price is hovering right around this 204 mark, the definitely big thing going forward is, can the price maintain above this? We shall see. But I plan on doing this one about 24 hours from now, so the next 24 hours will be pretty interesting. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.